How to fix Snapchat's memories not loading on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat memories not loading on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find apps, and now apps again, and here you will find Snapchat. Click on it and then click force stop, and now go to data usage and allow background data and mobile data. Maybe you will find it like that, just allow it. And now go to storage, clear cache. Now just go back and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just go to Play Store and update your Snapchat. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.